Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be covering Gala games, and the current price for Gala games stands at the $0.13 mark, and according to TradingView the market is up by 3.12%. And in this video I want to give the key expectations, the key scenarios that I expect to play out, the key supports and resistances that we need to break above, and the supports that we need to hold for us to continue seeing higher prices for Gala games. So if you are interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of this video, and if you are new to the page, make sure that you consider subscribing to the channel. So from the all-time high, we started seeing lower prices in this ABC correction, and before I continue with the video, I want to adjust the way I have drawn this ABC correction in such a way that I can have the wave A to this point, then a wave B, and then a wave C, which is in formation at the moment. And you can see the wave C has gone below the wave A. That means it's valid, it's a valid wave count, and it has gone to this yellow target that I have down here, where most of my buy orders have been triggered, and that's not financial advice. So don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. And some of the key scenarios that I expect to play out from this chart are that now that you have gone back to this yellow target down here and you have made a new low for Gala games, it's possible for us to have seen the low for the ABC correction, and very soon we might have a wave that might be taking us to an all-time high, maybe in an Elliott wave pattern. And for that to happen, we need to see a bounce from maybe within this yellow target down here, and once that happens, I expect us to go above the $0.2 mark. And once that happens, we break above that resistance over there, we can then have a retest of that zone. And once we have a retest of that zone, we can unlock even higher prices and maybe go to around the $43 mark, where we be facing our next resistance. Also note that in between here we'll be facing other resistances, such as the $0.27 mark resistance zone. So once we break above all those resistances, it's possible for us to go to around the $0.43 mark. And once that move plays out, I believe that will be the Elliott wave pattern will be playing out, and that will be my wave 1, then have a little bit of a pullback to the lower side in a wave 2, then have a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 can take us to an all-time high that is above that area at around the $0.84 mark. So that's the first key scenario that I expect to play out on this chart. It's also possible for us to maybe face resistances at around the $0.27 mark. Then once we are rejected over there, have a little bit of a pullback to the lower side and maybe find support somewhere down there. Then we can then break to the upper side, and for that to happen, for us to continue seeing higher prices, I also expect to continue seeing higher prices on the Bitcoin chart, because once we have more sell-offs on the Bitcoin chart, it's possible for us to see a dip on the Gala games chart. It's a good project, and let's continue having hope in it, in the project, and see how the market plays out, and I'll keep you updated on anything that forms on the chart. That's all for this video.